for Atom website when I this for here, you get two options, either for click if you did for Linux system, because now for Linux system we go right now we will install for, so it will automatically detect which operating system you browse from, right? So now I don't dictate say we browse from Linux. It gives us these two options. Download the .deb form or the .rpm form. Anyone they go. So for now we choose this one .deb. So we click for them. Then we save the file for our default saving folder. Wait for me now. Downloads folder. Wait for some time, it download 132 megabytes. So depending on your internet speed, if it take few seconds to a couple of minutes. Okay, now you don't finish for download. So what you will do is say we close the browser. Then we'll go for our editor, for our terminal. Go back for our terminal. Then we'll go for the downloads folder for see what you did. Take CD downloads. There we did for downloads. It will take ls. So modify that for day. So for download, for install, we need privileges. We need root privileges, and for use root privileges, we say sudo apt. Say sudo apt install, and then our file. Our file there for our file there here. So now that we copy, we'll put the full path. Hit enter. Okay, there we don't go. So we'll get our Atom installed. If we now go back for our terminal, for our desktop, VirtualBox the desktop, then we'll go for this menu, open. There we go. Here our Atom day. So we'll be ready for the user for various processes. Yes, that's it. Thank you.